You know your trading rules. You wrote them down. You promised yourself you'd follow them. And then the market moves. Suddenly the rules disappear. You enter too early. You move your stop. You hold a losing trade. You increase your position. And after it goes wrong, you ask, why did I do that again? Here's the truth. You don't keep breaking your rules because you don't know better. You break them because, in the moment, breaking the rule feels better than following it. And that one realization explains more about your trading than another strategy ever will. When your brain changes, think about when you created your trading plan. You were calm. You weren't in a trade. You weren't watching your money disappear. You could think clearly. So you wrote, I'll risk only 1%. I'll accept the stop loss. I'll only take high-quality setups. Perfect. But once you're in a live trade, everything changes. Now there's money on the line. Your brain doesn't care about the plan as much. It wants relief. It wants certainty. It wants the trade to work. And that's when you start negotiating with yourself. The real reason. Let's say your stop loss is approaching. You know the trade is invalid. Your plan says, get out. But then a thought appears. Maybe it'll reverse. So you move the stop. Instantly, you feel better. The loss hasn't happened yet. That's the trap. You didn't make that decision because it was logical. You made it because it temporarily removed emotional pain. And your brain just learned something. Breaking the rule creates relief. Do that enough times, and the behavior becomes a habit. The revenge trade. Now imagine you take a loss, then another. Your account is down. You feel frustrated. Then you see a setup. It's not perfect, but you think, this could make the money back. You enter. This isn't really a new trade. It's an emotional attempt to repair the previous one, and that's how revenge trading begins. One loss becomes a reason to take another trade. Another trade creates another loss. And suddenly, you're trading to recover emotionally instead of trading your strategy. The part most traders miss. Here's what's really dangerous. Breaking your rules doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it's tiny. You enter 5 minutes early, risk just a little more, move the stop just a little farther, take one setup you normally wouldn't take. Each decision feels harmless, but you're teaching yourself something. My rules are optional. And once your brain believes that, your trading plan becomes nothing more than a suggestion. The market isn't destroying your discipline. You're slowly training yourself to abandon it. Why winning can also destroy discipline. Here's something most traders don't expect. You can break your rules after winning too. Maybe you win 4 trades in a row. Suddenly you're confident. Then confidence becomes excitement. Excitement becomes overconfidence. You increase your position. Take a mediocre setup. Hold longer than planned. You start thinking, I'm on a roll. And that's when the market reminds you of something important. A winning streak doesn't make you invincible. The same rules that protect you during losses protect you during wins. How to fix it. So, how do you stop? Don't simply tell yourself, I need more discipline. That's too vague. Instead, remove as many decisions as possible from the emotional moment. Before entering a trade, know your entry, your stop, your position size, your maximum risk, your exit conditions. Then make one rule. Once the trade is live, you don't negotiate. You execute the plan. If the trade loses, you accept it. If it wins, you manage it according to the plan. Your job isn't to control the outcome. Your job is to control your behavior. Closing. So why do you keep breaking your trading rules? Because your brain wants immediate relief, while your trading plan is designed for long-term consistency. That's the battle. The next time you feel tempted to break a rule, don't ask, How much can I make? Ask, am I following my plan? Or am I trying to make myself feel better? That question can change everything, because a profitable trader isn't someone who never feels fear, greed, or doubt. It's someone who feels those emotions and still follows the plan. Subscribe to Mind Over Markets, because your rules don't matter when trading is easy. They matter when breaking them feels tempting.